Okay, I am Ashwini. I have completed MSc in Computer Science from Karnataka University, Dharwad. After that, I joined Kodnest. I am very happy to join Kodnest. The Kodnest team is very friendly. First of all, the class environment is very good. The structure here it is more studious. Like it will bring you to learn something, and it is providing that environment. Even though you don't have interest, it will bring interest in you, so that you can learn many other things. Apart from the class, the Kodnest environment is more often like IT. Like there will be some like professionalism in everything, like communicating, get more skilled, and learn, revise everything, and you can also have an offer letter like me. First of all, I will bring. I am from Dharwad. I will bring 1 ton of peda. Dharwad is famous for Dharwad peda. I will bring 1 ton of peda for Kodnest. I am so happy. I got my first offer letter. Our trainer is Ayush. At the beginning, as I learned basic like database, data structures and all, at the beginning, why he is teaching from the beginning, like A, B, C, D, everything. After that, I come to know that for non-IT background, it is must and they should learn from the scratch. From A, B, C, D also they should learn in this technological field, and in the classroom environment will be like one-on-one interaction. There will be, if any doubts were there in the class also, at the outside also he used to solve our queries, and mock test and weekly test will help me to enhance my technical knowledge, and to get to know that how much I have learned and how much I need to focus on what aspects, like aptitude, Java, SQL, moreover, like that. About the company, MRI company is very good. While appearing in the interview, the team communicated very well. They are very friendly, and after that we have face-to-face interview at Kodnest. In face-to-face, first round is the group discussion. In group discussion, there is the discussion between first they have asked about our introduction, and after that we have a technical discussion over there. I just want to tell all of my friends also, they are trying to get jobs, and my juniors also who have joined latest. I just want to tell them that just have patience. You will also get job. Kodnest will never leave you without offer letter. I have also waited for it, and I have achieved it. Kodnest has helped me a lot, and I am very happy to join Kodnest. If anyone is trying to get into the IT field, Kodnest is the best place to join.